Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do this mixture of all the jokers that I know. So if you know which part of the makeup is for which joker, let me know in the comment section. And without any more introduction, let's start with this one. See you at the end. Bye. So first I'm going to add glue stick or glue to my eyebrows in all directions. And with this comb, I'm going to brush the hair up. And then I'm going to add glue in upward direction. I have some reference images on my phone of the different jokers, so it will be easy to complete the design. Now I am adding a little bit of primer to the face. And I'm going to add the black eyeshadow to start drawing the mouth. Just doing the rough draft of this makeup. Now I'm going to trace the eyebrows. This is just tracing the idea of the makeup. And now we are going to color in everything. First, I'm going to start with the white, and I'm going to use this green blend stick from Maron. And this is in color white, obviously. Now I'm going to add this white everywhere, or almost everywhere. I'm not too care about my hairline because I'm going to use a wig today. The Joker doesn't have like perfect makeup, so don't worry if it's not perfect. This is like a crazy makeup look. I am dragging the color and then I'm going to tap the color over that first layer that I'm just adding. And because the idea on this makeup is to make like a merge or a little bit of all the jokers, I'm not going to be too precise on everything. Now I'm going to use this Sigma E56 to draw the base of the teeth. Now I'm going to draw the mouth. And again, this is really just like a basic. Then we can go to the details. I love the mouth of this Joker. That's why I am using the mouth of this Joker. Now I am using this maroon palette, and this is powder or eyeshadow in color white, just to set that white cream color that I just added. Now I'm going to use this green blend stick in color silver, just to simulate the silver color of a different Joker. Now I'm going to add cream blend stick in color black. Now adding red to the nose. And as you can see, I am adding red outside of my nose, just to make the nose looks bigger. Now I want to draw the eyebrows. And they are like pointy at the end and like thick at the top or at the beginning of the eyebrows. Now I'm going to wait a little bit for that cream to be a little bit dried before continue with that. And I'm going to add the eyes of a different Joker. Just using the black shadow from the maroon palette. Now I'm going to use a different Sigma L06. Now blending the blue with the black eyeshadow. And adding shadows to the makeup. Black eyeliner. Doing now my clothing. Just drawing the clothing, and basically I'm doing this using shadows, different colors of cream, stick from Maroon. Now I'm going to add black eyeshadow from the Maroon palette. Just tracing the division from one color to the other. Defining very well. The clothing. Let's continue with the red jacket or blazer. And again, remember that I want you to guess which joker or which part of this makeup is for which joker. Clothing and everything. So if you love jokers, let me know. I want to know if you really, really love them. I think that this is good enough. Remember that the joker doesn't need to be perfect. That's the good thing of this makeup or this Halloween tutorial. And now I'm going to add my wig. So this is all, guys. I hope that you like this one. I hope that you learned something. And if you like this one, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends so you can help me to grow this channel. And if you like this one and you want to see more about my work, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can get notified every single time that I upload a video, which I try to do it every single Friday from 6 to 9 p.m. And during the month of October, I will be uploading, or I will be trying to upload every single Wednesday and Saturday. See you in the next one. Have a beautiful, blessed, and happy life. Bye.
girls with their nails done now.